Moin moin!
Servus, grüezi und hallo.
Are you up for another market hunt? Because I am. I'm on my way to a market here. I saw it on maps. I follow the street here, should be right there. The churches here are very beautiful. There are churches everywhere. Check this out. Check this out. There's a church. Right there is a church. It's everywhere. It's really, really everywhere. Hello. I don't speak your language. I don't speak your language. English, English. Yeah. How are you? Do you speak English?
No.
No English? No English?
No English.
Ah. Okay, let me buy something from you. Let me buy something from you. Yeah. They're tasty? Yum, 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 yum?
Yum, yum.
Okay, I take one. Take one. I take one.
Evo vidiš. Ovo na engleskom se razume, Vlado.
No English?
English.
No.
No English.
No problem. No English, no problem.
Ma kakav problem? Nema problema, evo je.
Thank you. It's okay. It's okay. For you. For you. Have a nice day, my friend. Have a nice day.
My friend.
Yeah. Bye bye. Zdravo. No, Serbian. Ruski? Ruski, yeah. Aleman. Aleman. Nice to meet you. Spasibo. До свидания. Zdravo. Do you speak English? Little bit? Little bit? Can you give me a few? A few? Perfect. Thank you so much. Novi Sad. Novi Sad. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. You live here? You live here?
No country, village.
Village. Outside Novi Sad.
100 dinara.
How much? This? Okay, I don't know. How much is it? Is it this here? Okay. Thank you so much. It was nice to meet you. It was nice to meet you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Zdravo. Zdravo. Do you speak English? No English, right?
Yeah.
Niet. Okay, I take some apples. I take some apples.
Ove.
Yeah.
2 kilo 160.
2 kilo too much. Can you? I put in.
Kilo?
Yeah. No. 1 kilo too much. Too much. Yeah. Put in. But 1 kilo too much. 1 kilo too much. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, right.
Evo ga.
How much do I owe you?
80.
100?
Ne.
Okay, 100. Okay, perfect. Now what? Yeah, it's for you. It's for you.
Čekaj, nema.
No. It's okay. Keep it.
Ajde još malo, ajde.
No. It's okay. It's for you. It's for you.
Thank you.
No problem, my friend. See you next time. Bye. Okay, what is this? Nuts and everything. There is nobody. Hello, mister? Sorry? Is this your store? No, right? Hello. Is it your store? Your store, no? Where is the owner? Okay. I don't understand, but alright. Zdravo. Zdravo. Do you speak English? No English, right? What?
Serbischen.
I don't understand. I only speak English. Little bit?
1 kilogram.
Yeah, one kilogram.
Grama.
Just put something in. Just put a little bit in the bag. 1 kilogram.
Grama.
1,100, right?
Da, 1
Yeah.
kilogram, a 100 grama 100 dinara.
All right, give me 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram. Oh, it's too much. I didn't want so much, but okay. Thank you so much. No, it's okay, it's okay. 1,000? Oh, 1,000. I thought it's 1 kilogram. All right, all right. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye. Zdravo.
Ćao, legenda. Dobar. Evo, izvolite. Hvala lepo. Daš drugo.
Do you speak English? English? No English. Okay. Give me a few. These ones here. A few. Yes. It's okay. Thank you.
Okay.
70. Yes, yes, yes. It's okay. It's okay.
No, no.
No, it's okay. It's okay for you. That's for you. All right. All right. All right. Thank you so much, my friend.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye, bye.
I would love to go on, but it's too much. I can't take no more. I can't take no more. Now, I will try to find this lady. I was seeing a lady when I came here. She was sitting at the side. Dude, it's so heavy. I can't take no more. Let's try to find her. Oh, I can see her. Hello, my friend. This is for you. This is for you. Apples, oranges, nuts, everything for you and your baby. All right, all right. What is your name? Your name?
Sreće i zdravlje.
Your name? Marvin? Hi. My name Marvin. Marvin, and your name?
Ne mogu da te razumem.
Okay, you don't understand. All right, all right.
Ćeš da mi daš, bata, koji dinar?
I gave you food. I gave you food. It's okay. Have a nice day. Have a nice day, my friend. Bye bye. Bye bye. What do you think, guys? This lady, was she a scammer or not? She asked me for money. I don't like this. If I give people food, then it should be enough. They shouldn't ask me for more. The same stuff happened in, where was it? Was it in Bosnia? Yeah, it was in Bosnia. This one lady, she asked me for more money at the exact moment as I handed her the food. I don't like it. So what do you think? Was she a scammer or not? Tell me in the comments.